What if I told you that you could make an extra $1,000 every month without quitting your job? In this video, I'll reveal 7 proven side hustles that real people are using right now to pad their bank accounts. No scams, no get-rich-quick schemes, just legit ways to earn. Hey fam, I've tested dozens of side hustles, and today I'm sharing the 7 best that actually work in 2024. These are flexible, beginner-friendly, and can scale to 1,000 a month or more. I'll even link the exact platforms I use in the description. Freelancing is one of the fastest ways to earn money online. Whether you are a writer, graphic designer, or video editor, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr connect you with clients willing to pay well for your skills. Hourly rates can range from $25 for writing, $35 for design, and up to $50 for video editing. The best part? You do not need fancy qualifications. If you can write clear emails, design simple logos, or edit basic videos, you can earn between $20 and $50 per hour. Many beginners land their first gig within 48 hours of signing up. Start by bidding on smaller jobs, around $10 to $20, to quickly build your profile and gain experience. Focus on getting positive reviews. One client started by writing product descriptions for $15 each. Within 3 months, she was charging $75 per article from repeat clients. Once you have 5 to 10 positive reviews, you can start raising your rates and attracting higher-paying projects. Upwork is best for long-term clients. Fiverr is great for quick projects, and TopTal suits professionals. Specialize in a niche like ebook formatting or YouTube intro videos to stand out. Your first gigs are about building credibility, so focus on delivering quality work. Looking for a way to earn passive income without the hassle of inventory or shipping? Print on demand might be your answer. With this side hustle, you can make between $500 and $2,000 a month simply by selling custom products online. Here is how it works. First, use free tools like Canva to create eye-catching designs. Think funny quotes, pet memes, or gym motivation graphics. Next, upload your designs to products like t-shirts or tote bags on platforms such as Redbubble, Printify, or Teespring. When someone places an order, the company prints, packs, and ships the item for you. All you have to do is collect your profit. You can earn $10 to $50 profit per item. For example, sell a $30 shirt and keep $15. The best part? One viral design can make you thousands. A friend made $3,000 from a single niche gaming meme design last year. Focus on trending niches like pet lovers, gym enthusiasts, or sarcastic humor. Use Pinterest to drive free traffic to your products. Start with 5 to 10 designs and double down on what sells. If you are creative or can hire affordable designers, this is a goldmine. Affiliate marketing is a powerful way to earn passive income online. Imagine making over $1,000 a month without ever handling a product. That is exactly how I started my online journey, and it changed everything for me. Here is how it works. You promote other people's products using a special link. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission, usually between 5% and 30% of the sale. No inventory, no customer service, and no website needed. The easiest way to begin is by signing up for Amazon Associates. It is free and perfect for beginners. Promote everyday items like kitchen gadgets or tech. Even if you only make $5 per sale, 200 sales a month means $1,000 in your pocket. Once you are comfortable, try high-ticket programs. For example, Shopify pays over $150 per store sign-up, Bluehost pays $65 per web hosting sign-up, and Coursera pays $50 per course enrollment. Focus on niches where people already spend money, like fitness, home office gear, or parenting products. Start small, stay consistent, and scale up. My friend promotes $1,000 mattresses and earns $200 per sale. 5 sales a month equals $1,000. YouTube automation is changing the game for passive income. Imagine earning thousands of dollars while you sleep, from videos you never even filmed yourself. With the right tools and strategy, this is now possible. Here is how it works. You use artificial intelligence tools to script, edit, and upload videos in profitable niches. These videos are then monetized through ads or sponsorships. The best part? You do not need to show your face or record your own voice. First, Pick a high cost per mil or CPM niche such as make money online, credit repair, or investing. These can pay $10 to $30 per 1,000 views. Next, use ChatGPT to generate viral scripts in minutes. Simply ask it to write a 5-minute YouTube script with a hook, 3 key points, and a call to action. Then plug that script into Pictory or InVideo AI. These tools turn your script into a polished video with stock footage, voiceovers, and captions automatically. Once you have a system, you can outsource everything. One creator runs 10 channels this way, earning over $20,000 per month passively. Avoid get-rich-quick niches like crypto or gambling. Stick to evergreen topics such as building. Virtual assistant work is one of the most underrated ways to make money from home. Right now, entrepreneurs, CEOs, and even YouTubers are searching for reliable virtual assistants to help manage their busy lives. So, what does a virtual assistant actually do? Tasks can include managing emails, scheduling meetings, handling social media posts, replying to direct messages, and even basic research like finding hotels or comparing prices. If you can use Gmail, Google Calendar, Canva, or Zoom, you already have the skills needed to get started. Finding virtual assistant gigs is easier than you might think. Check out Belay Solutions for part-time, long-term opportunities. If you're a beginner, Time Etc. offers training to help you get started. Or try Upwork to bid on short-term projects and build your portfolio. Here's a pro tip. Specialize in one area, like email management, and start at $20 per hour. Once you have a few clients, raise your rates to $30 or even $40 per hour. One stay-at-home mom now makes $3,000 a month just handling. Selling digital products is the holy grail of side hustles. Why? You create your product once and then sell it forever with zero overhead. There is no inventory, no shipping, and just pure profit. It is a business model built for flexibility and scalability. Here is how it works. First, pick a trending niche. Think budget planners for moms, resume templates for career changers, or Notion dashboards for students. Next, use free tools like Canva for templates, Google Sheets for calculators, or even ChatGPT to write ebook outlines. Finally, sell your creations on platforms like Etsy or Gumroad. These sites handle payments and delivery, making the process seamless. Here is a pro tip. Bundle your products. For example, sell a finance pack with a budget tracker and a debt payoff planner for 3 times the price. Customers love instant downloads, so there is no waiting involved. Bundling increases value and boosts your earnings. I have seen beginners make $500 per month within 30 days just selling simple printables. Want my free list of 20 profitable digital product ideas? Check the description. Comment digital below if you are ready to try this. Want to earn $50 to $200 per hour in cash starting today? Local services are a hidden goldmine for side hustles. Busy homeowners will pay big for tasks they do not want to do. Here's how you can crush it. Pressure washing is a top pick. You can charge $100 to $300 per driveway, and it only takes 1 to 2 hours with a $200 machine from Home Depot. Upsell add-ons like patio cleaning for extra cash. This is a fast way to boost your hourly rate. Car detailing is another great option. A basic wash brings in $50 to $100, while a full interior detail can earn you $150 to $300. Offer a mobile service and go to clients' homes for extra convenience and higher tips. Assemble IKEA furniture for $50 to $150 per piece. Or buy used furniture on Facebook Marketplace, refurbish it, and resell for 2 to 3 times the profit. It is a smart way to multiply your earnings. List your services on TaskRabbit, which handles payments and client vetting. Post before and after photos in local Facebook groups with DM to book. For your first day, offer a first customer 50% off deal to get reviews quickly. This is how I made $1,200 last month working weekends only. No experience needed, just hustle. These were the 7 side hustles. Pick one hustle to start this week. Remember, $1,000 a month is just $250 a week. Totally doable. Links to all platforms are in the description. Comment below the one you are starting with, like, and subscribe for more money-making secrets. And I'll see you in the next one.